Hello everyone and welcome to Risk of Rain 2. It's been a hot minute since we played this game, and I just remembered. We unlocked an artifact and unlocked a new character, but we never get around to playing it. So, we're gonna go with the multi. I'm gonna try to unlock some of these, but I don't have any idea how to unlock them, so I'm not gonna make any promises. And without any when- without wasting any more time, let's get into it. That being said, I am planning to editing this game just a bit, not too much. And the artifact that we got, the artifact of Qin, as you can see right here, it basically gives us one type of enemy to deal with for the whole run. For this run, it's these guys, these annoying guys, and this one really annoying guy which is constantly healing them. And wait, so what does okay, R is a new weapon it seems. It does a good amount of damage, but it's not something that I wanna constantly use. Okay, we've been dealing with them for some time. Let's go grab some items and go for the boss. I would really appreciate some leech seed right now. Okay, some meat. Maybe a little bit of extra health doesn't hurt anyone. And since we're so far away, I'm just gonna use the ranged mode. Oh wait, dive. I don't have that good of a mobility. That's, it shouldn't be that bad. It shouldn't be paralyzingly bad. Okay, there's a cave in here. I'm not sure if there was always a cave in there. Was there? And there are two chests. Maybe three? Even if there's just these two, it's to be honest, it's great. We got one crit, and what's the green item? Oh, this is Core Stone. If I'm not wrong, it's the treasure. Yeah, it's the treasure. So the green item we got is not good. It's just these. They give us a bit more money. They can be good in certain scenarios, but more often than not, they're just useless. And if my if my voice has some problem, I do apologize. It's just something that I ate. I don't think my throat is gonna deal with it that good, and I might even get sick for a bit because of it. I hope I don't. I do want to keep on the momentum on the channel, but if it happens, there's nothing I can really do about it. Okay, I've been finding a bunch of chests, but haven't found any signs of the boss yet. Do I need to? Well, I don't think I need to explain the items. That they are self-explanatory, and if you guys want, you can just pause for a moment and see what items they are. Wait. Hmm? Another firework. there's not much else around here. I should be able to find the boss by default pretty soon. Okay, the attack speed is the good one. I need this. Okay, this guys are gonna be a little bit of trouble, but nothing we can't handle. Let's just go back, grab our item, and activate this. Afterwards, we're just gonna keep on moving. In this game, as long as you're somehow moving to anywhere, doesn't really make a difference. As long as you're moving, you're not going to die. The problem only happens at the moment you stop moving around. Okay, for activating each one of these I need 8 bucks. Okay, let's activate this, and let's activate this guy. And basically the artifact of Kin makes it so each stage only have one type of monster. So it's impossible for these guys to be any other kind. Even if there are spice stages, even if I challenge the challenge of the mountain, or I challenge the Shrine of Combat, always spawns these units. Just, it might give them different powers, different type of elites, as I say, but it doesn't really change it. They will be the same species. Okay, this wasn't easy per se, but it was manageable. We didn't have that much problem dealing with all of them. And this guy is pretty cool because, well, as you can see, in this weapon I do have the soda machine, or I do have the vending machine, but here I don't have anything, so I can just grab two random stuff. Okay, here's a chest, and I don't like these guys. What? Why you? Why did it have to be you guys? I'm not sure if you guys noticed or not, but I really don't like these guys. Okay, we didn't get anything other than a bunch of fireworks. And let's see. How far away can we shoot? Is there any target that's... oh, there's the boss. There's the crits, which I'm gonna go grab 3 or 4 of them. I'm hoping that it takes my stun grenades or the the pink cube, the focus crystal, but it seems like it doesn't want to. Okay, and I'm happy with just exchanging 3 of my items with that. Okay, and I just got weaker because of that exchange. Okay, one more. Okay, let's not wait around too long. Since the game doesn't want to go my way, I'm gonna let it have its way. And this is really good for sniping, especially when I do get a crit. The times that I don't, it's okay. It can be better, but wait a second. Okay, let's get rid of our stun grenades. And let's get up our focus crystal. This should be enough. Okay, we have 3 items that we can exchange. And it's a guarantee that when we want to exchange something, the item scraps will be the first ones in line. Okay, give me some sort of damage. Damage to enemies above 90% health. So the first hit, if the gunner doesn't interfere, is gonna be some sort of crit all the time. Okay, let's see what we have here. These guys have oh, what's down there? Can you guys not kill me for a moment? If I go down there, is there any way for me to come back up? Yeah, there is. The leeching seed. Great. This is one of the better items that I could have found. And well, I found it. And I have some use for this weapon now. This is the weaker of the two, at least in my opinion. For most of, more often than not. But with the leeching seed, each one of the hits does give me 1 health. So, it's good. And the boss should be right here. But we're not gonna go for the boss right away, because in the runs that we already had, each time that we rushed the boss, at least out of each 5 times or 4 times, at least 2 or 3 of them were just they end up in failure. And well, to be honest, I'm not really that fond of failing the game again and again. I do like the challenge, but failing constantly is not the challenge. It's just torture for me, and I don't think it's that fun for you guys as well. But if you guys like to see me getting tortured by my own stupid decisions, tell me. Okay, the 3 items that I got are gonna be exchanged with this. Because, well, if I have around 100% crit, it means almost my main damage is going to be crit. My damage is just gonna be double what it says. Okay, let's go for this. Let's get into the AoE and let's hide back here. Okay, since that kind of attack is not working, let me just do it this way. Okay, what the? Oh, this guy. Okay, the healing wave. It's basically the first time I feel like that healing wave that saved me. Most time it just feels like it's completely useless. Okay, let's change. If I can one-shot each and every one of them, it's gonna be fine. If not, I'm gonna be in trouble. Okay, we got some rockets. We get a lunar coin. Anyone else? Wait, why didn't I use this? Ah, I'm already done with the stage. I should pay more attention to the items I have. Okay, let's change the weapons. And these guys do like to warp a lot. And even with crits, it takes 4 hits to kill them. Okay, let's not get cornered by them. Where's... Okay, here's one item. But they do give a lot of money. So even killing 3 or 4 of them gave me enough. What should I take? I should take this. Even if I end up regretting it, I think this was my best choice. Healing item, oh, and it's another shield. Okay. And just like before, I'm not gonna spend too much time. At least I hope I don't. And after I just took a quick tour around the place, I'm gonna go for the boss and be done with it. Well, I did say I want to edit it, but this doesn't look like something that needs a lot of editing. Most of the times I'm either fighting for my life or nothing's happening. There's really no in between. Oh, I guess when nothing's happening, I can. Can you not kill me? Oh, it's that item. Okay, this I can see that being useful. And drop healing orbs upon death. I'm taking the items that I never thought I would really need, to be honest. Okay, let's see what items do we have left around here. Okay, alright. We have one scrapper here, I don't really care about this. We have more damage to bosses. We had something up here, and I guess that's it. I'm gonna get one key just in case I encounter something that can be opened. Something that I can open with that key. Okay, there's one more chest I didn't even notice. Another healing orb. Or a monster tooth. Okay, let's spawn this guy. And Okay, I was kinda sure they are just gonna get one shot by that black hole, but I guess not. I guess that's not something that's gonna happen. Another leeching seed. Okay, should I just not use my sniper attack when the black hole is off cooldown? Or it's not a black hole. Let's. I'm gonna check to see what's the name. What is the name? Okay, what are you called? The singularity band. Yeah, it is a black hole. So I was not saying something that's completely unrelated. Okay, there's something up there and something up there. Okay, so up here, up there. Me having a terrible memory aside, I should be able to remember these for 5 seconds. Okay, this is an item exchange. That is an item. Okay, what's the last thing? Okay, this is something that we should have reached before the 10 minutes mark. Okay, this is not good. This does not seem to be good. These guys used to get me a lot. Okay, what the... Okay, I survived, somehow. Somehow I just didn't die alright there. Okay, I'm gonna go search for the items. And maybe search for some eggs. That was quick. I did expect to find that item a bit later. We just found 2 eggs. A fuel cell which is not gonna be corrupted, is it? Okay, there are a lot of things we can get on this map. Should I go back down from there? But I should do that. But who says I'm gonna do that? Just because it's the right decision. There's a pass for the market, which I'm not gonna go for. Okay, what kind of other items I can find around here? Up here should be an egg, and it isn't. There's most likely one egg somewhere down there. Which I just... You might think I'm messing with you guys, but I really didn't preview this map. I'm just finding them by luck. And to be honest, I do feel like my luck is another one of these guys. Which is good, but I do like my rudder a bit more. It helps me find the items I want. Okay, this thing is basically useless for me. It gives 2 charges to your R, and my R is just change weapons. It doesn't need extra charges. Okay, now that that one is out of the way, there are 2 items up here, 3 drones down there, and some boxes down here. Okay, what else is there? Wait, it does... No, the eggs are not counted towards the items. Okay, since I woke him up, I should take care of him rather quickly. Before he can do any kind of that kind of thing. Okay, don't shoot me. Am I gonna be able to get this guy? No, I'm gonna run. Okay, what am I supposed to do here? Just run. Shoot. Maybe shoot a bit more after the armor is down. And we got 1 legendary item out of that, which should reduce the cooldown of all my skills. Nothing great, but well, I can't complain about it. Okay, we just survived that. Okay, there's anything else that I am missing? I don't think so. I just need to go down there and activate the 3 drones, which are right here, down here, and up there. Okay, let's activate this guy and alright, I'm gonna run. I'm just gonna get out of the area because I'm not confident I can. Oh no, that was bad. That was really bad. I'm not confident I can face off against the bosses face to face. Okay, let's get some bleeds on him. Get some bleed on you. Go back inside. The faster this reaches 100%, the less I have to deal with these guys. I am basically trying to take care of these guys. And it's not working. Maybe it is. It is? Okay, let's not get ourselves killed right there, and there we're good. We only lost, well, our other turrets. But that's good. If it wasn't for those other turrets, all of them would just rush me down and I wouldn't have a good time. So it's good. Okay, was that all of them? Oh, let's get one helper. Okay, we're done with the stage and let's just go past. Okay, this time I'm gonna do something that, well, I hadn't done so far. And we are gonna challenge the last stage's boss. Okay, these... Oh, it's these slimes. Okay, don't hit me. Okay, I think I'm gonna be able to take care of all of them. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's see what else can we get. Oh, the first hit did a lot of damage. Okay, let's just get back. Okay, we took care of that guy. Let's not get ourselves killed right here. Shuriken, it's not something that I would be looking forward to. Yeah, I guess it does make more sense with this guy rather than any of the other guys. Okay, it's one of these guys. Okay, some... Am I gonna be in trouble? Maybe. But are they gonna be in even more trouble? Yes. I'm just gonna get past them. Search for any boxes. Okay, there are a bunch over there. There are two of them over here. Give me some. Okay, it's good. It's good. It's not bad. Then again, it's not something that I was looking for. Let's see, what are we gonna get over here? Wait, that is a destroyed chest. Let's get this guy. Maybe slow some of our enemies. Okay, that looks like an item that I have already got, so it's not gonna be useful. I don't think I'm gonna go down there for any of those boxes because I'm not confident I'm gonna be able to come back up. Let's see, what am I gonna be able to find anything that's actually useful? Well, I am able to find the boss. Which boss is gonna be just more slimes. Okay, we melted them. We melted them like cheese. Alright, okay, what kind of item do you have for us? After each kill we get a bit more speed. That's nice. Okay, we're gonna endure this for a little bit longer. The moment we reach 100%, I'm gonna go on that side and see what kind of boxes we missed. I'm gonna make it as quick as possible. Okay, let's go. Okay, some of the items are inside the void, and I'm not gonna bother with them. This is a good item for the last stage. And whatever I find, it's gonna come with me, and whatever I don't find, I didn't find it. Okay, let's move a bit faster. I don't want to spend too many. I'm not gonna waste too much time on here. I did try to get as much of them as I could. That kinda worked. Not really, but somewhat. Okay, those guys, the monster which gonna explode the moment they get to me, or whenever I destroy them. That's not gonna be fun. They're gonna explode and they're gonna leave a fire under them. And it's gonna play for a good few seconds. Okay, if you guys couldn't tell, we are on the moon. I do be hoping we don't get any enemies. Wait, wasn't exploding their only ability? Oh no, this is not the... Okay, I was thinking of something else. This is not that. In that case, this is good. If this is what I'm gonna be fighting against until I reach the final boss, I'm happy with this. Okay, don't go over there. Now we're gonna go slowly. And activate our first pillar. Okay, pillar of mass. Why mass? Okay. Wait, now which one is it? Are these the guys which leave the fire, or is it just because of this pillar? To be honest, I have no idea. I couldn't tell you guys even if I wanted to, because well, it's getting more and more annoying. Okay, let's not get ourselves cornered. Okay, we're done with the first pillar. Wasn't there 3? Why is there 4 now? Huh. I mean, I do remember the time when you didn't even need it to activate any pillars. You could just rush to the end and just get to the boss. But that's something of the past. Okay, stop. Stop it. Pillar of design, which I have no idea what this has to do with design. Okay, we're done with the second one. And the third one, it seems like. Okay, you're just gonna be annoying, aren't you? Yeah, I figured. Well, I'm standing my ground, so I don't see that much problem with this. And since this needs 3 items, which it's useless, it's basically something that gives you items. Okay, 1 item for that. I'm not gonna take that. It gives us new items each stage that we pass. But we're not gonna pass any more stages. This stage gonna be our last. So that's basically just useless. And another pillar of design. Okay. I wasn't expecting 3 of a kind, but I guess it's not illegal. I know there are a bunch of different pillars, but we got 3 of the same type. Okay. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. All of the pillars are connected, and wait. Should I go towards one of the beams? Let's go towards one of the beams. We'll see if we can move towards the last place from there, or do we need something else? Okay, let's do some pro parkouring without having any actual mobility. And let's go. Oh, we got it. We got it. Okay, I don't think this boss can be changed to those monsters. So the only time the Artifact of Cain is not going to be effective is here. Okay, let's change it to this. Let's go. You're okay. I'm not gonna get hit with that kind of attack. At least I hope I don't. Okay, let's get this guy inside one of the black holes. Okay, that was too close. Let's use our clones. What? How? Why? Why do you have a range attack? Okay. Well, that was our first attempt at the moon boss. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked, don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this channel's content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.